Welcome to AusDI, Australia's trusted independent medicines information resource for healthcare professionals. This short training video is designed to demonstrate the features and functionality of AusDI. AusDI delivers rapid access to over 80,000 pages of the most comprehensive and up-to-date information, covering prescription medicines, hospital use, over-the-counter products including many complementary medicines, devices, and diagnostic agents. AusDI is updated daily by an Australian editorial team under the guidance of an independent editorial advisory committee. It is published monthly, including the latest data from the PBS schedule. Being web-based, AusDI is always kept current for you and requires no software installation. There are several points of access to the extensive information in AusDI. To perform a quick product search, enter your search term, which can be a brand name, active ingredient, an indication, or a therapeutic class, and select from the autocomplete drop-down list. From the results page, you can access the 5 datasets in AusDI. These are product summaries, the TGA-approved product information, independent drug monographs, consumer medicines information, and product images. Each product will have a product summary. This provides quick access to the following information: the ATC therapeutic class, the TGA-approved indications, and where available, a link to the independent drug monograph, which provides information about other non-TGA-approved uses. Use in pregnancy. Sports warnings, where applicable, can also be found in the product summary. These are the recommendations based on World Anti-Doping Authority guidelines. Product description includes information about gluten, lactose, and latex content, along with product images. Package information for currently marketed strengths and pack sizes. The poison schedule, as per the current National Poison Standard. PBS listing, the current PBS listing details. Manufacturer content details are found in the link at the top of the product summary. All datasets in AusDI are linked to similar documents for the same product. From the product summary, you can link directly to the TGA-approved product information. PIs in AusDI are sourced directly from pharma companies and via daily alerts from the TGA. AusDI provides the original, unedited content. The table of contents allows easy navigation to sections within the PI. From product information, you can navigate to the link to the independent drug monograph. The AusDI monograph database comprises more than 5,000 pages of content developed by an Australian team of pharmacists over the past 15 years. Monographs are about a generic drug or active ingredient, or may cover a drug class, such as ACE inhibitors or insulins. Monographs have a standard format and sections that can be easily navigated via the table of contents. Key features include indications. These are the latest TGA-approved indications and medically accepted non-TGA uses. New FDA and TGA extensions to indications are monitored via daily alerts and added to the monographs. Detailed pharmacology and pharmacokinetics. Precautions for use, including pregnancy, breastfeeding, pediatric and geriatric uses, where applicable dental or surgical, drug interactions, effects on medical tests, medical considerations or contraindications, patient monitoring. Side effects are ranked according to severity and frequency, including presenting symptoms. The editorial team monitor TGA, ASCOM, MedWatch and MedSafe reports and incorporate the latest safety data into the monograph. Counselling points for the healthcare professional. These are a brief list of clinically significant points to highlight to a patient during counselling and may be used in conjunction with a CMI. Dosing information. This includes adult, paediatric and geriatric dosing for each indication, dosage adjustments, and doses for non-TGA approved uses. From the monograph, you can select the specific branded consumer medicines information, or CMI. AusDI has the most up-to-date and comprehensive collection of CMIs. These are the original PDF documents supplied by the pharma companies, and they're ready to print in the standard format. AusDI includes images for approximately 3,000 current products. As well as searching the data in AusDI, you can also browse through the documents alphabetically. You can browse through the indications to find products for a particular condition. You can then select any information about the product for that indication. You can also browse for products by the WHO's ATC therapeutic class list. In addition to quick search and browse for current products, you can perform more specific searches across the entire database using advanced search and free text search functions. The Product Identifier module allows you to identify an unknown product by using its physical characteristics such as shape, colour, and markings. Select the physical type of product, such as capsule or tablet, and add more search criteria for shape or scoring, if relevant. Select the colour that most closely matches the colour of the product, up to a maximum of 4 colours. Enter all or part of any visible letters or numbers in the markings field from an autocomplete suggestion list. From the results list, click on an image to view more information in a flyout pane. From here, you can link through to any documents for your selected product and navigate to the information you are seeking. The Interactions and Safety module allows you to find drug interactions, duplicate therapy warnings, possible pharmacodynamic shared adverse effects, interactions with complementary medicines, and drug food warnings. Start typing either an active ingredient or brand name, and select drugs from the list to include in your interaction search. You can select prescription drugs, over-the-counter products, and some complementary medicines. To check for interactions, select Search. Drug-drug interaction results are displayed grouped by severity in descending order. Scroll up or down to review the list of interactions for the selected drugs. From the results page, you will see a brief description of the interaction. You can also view a detailed monograph. The monograph provides information about mechanism of action, clinical effects, predisposing factors, patient management, discussion of the interaction, documentation used to develop the interactions monograph, and a list of references. The next tab will identify any possible duplications in therapy. These could be drugs in the same class, or 2 brands with the same active ingredients. The third tab will display possible adverse effects which are shared by drugs from your list, and might have a possible pharmacodynamic additive effect. From the search results for multiple drug selections, you can also click on the drug or brand name to run a search and navigate to other AusDI data if you're looking for additional information or wish to compare the information in another data source such as the PI or monograph. If you select only one drug, then all drugs or drug classes which interact with the drug, as well as any complementary medicines interactions, will be displayed on the Drug Interactions tab. Each complementary medicines interaction also has a full, detailed monograph. The next tab will display any drug-food interactions and includes detailed monographs. AusDI provides you with access to multiple datasets, all integrated in one easy-to-use resource. All the information is available to use via the desktop or via the mobile optimized version, which gives you access anywhere, anytime via the browser on your iPad, iPhone or Android device. Access AusDI for free on a 14-day trial at www.ausdi.com.au.